Today we're working on Excel Expert Lesson 1, the fourth lesson, applying custom date and time formats. So with the age calculator open, you can see that you have this. Enter your date of birth into cell B1. So put your date of birth in there. I'm going to put mine, which I was born a long time ago. Select cells B1 and B2. On the Home tab in the Number group, click the dialog box launcher. Select the Number tab. Select Custom. Click in the Type text box. Move to the Year section at the far right of the text box and type YY to expand it to 4 digits. So go to right there and type YY, and you'll see that it changed the year to have 4 digits in it. Then click OK. Step 5, with those cells still selected, open up the dialog box launcher again. Delete the current contents of the type box. And then type. Do this slowly and observe what displayed in the sample text box as you enter each character. So we'll type D, 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 and you see that it put Friday up here. Space, D, D, it's got 26, dash, M, 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 M. And you see that it put the month, dash, Y, 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 Y. And you see that Friday, August 26, 1960. Click OK. And this tells you the day that you were born and the year, and today's date, whatever date you're working on. And so it tells me that I am 61.2 years old, and I can remember when I thought 30-year-old people were old. So this completes. Submit results, green check. So this completes applying custom date and time formats.